Hello and welcome! If you're ready to start your coding journey, then you're in the right place, because installing your code editor is the most important first step. In this explainer, we're going to get Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, the go-to tool for developers, installed on your machine whether you're on Windows or a Mac. It's fast, it's free, and honestly, it's the key to building almost anything you can think of. So let's get into it. So what exactly is VS Code? Well, it's a totally free code editor from Microsoft that has, pretty much taken over the developer world. But don't think of it as just a simple text editor. Think of it more like a complete workshop for building software. It's powerful, it's super flexible, and it's where all your ideas are going to come to life. And its real magic is just how versatile it is. I mean, whether you're learning the fundamentals with Python or C++, or you're building huge websites with Node.js, or even developing powerful apps with frameworks like Django, VS Code is the place you'll do it all. The possibilities are, and I mean this, pretty much endless. All right, let's get this thing installed. We're going to start with the process for all you Windows users out there. I'll walk you through every single step. It'll be quick and totally painless, I promise. So here's our game plan for Windows, just 5 simple steps. We're going to search for it, find the official site, download the installer, run the setup, and then fire it up. Seriously, this should only take a couple of minutes. First things first, just open up whatever web browser you use. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, doesn't matter, and just type Visual Studio Code right into the search bar. Okay, you'll probably see a bunch of results, but this part is really important. Look for the official one. You want the link that goes to code.visualstudio.com. Make sure you skip past any of the links that are marked as an ad. This just makes sure you're getting the real deal straight from the source. Once you're on the official site, you really can't miss it. There's this huge blue button right on the homepage that says Download for Windows. Go ahead and click that, and your download will start right away. After a minute or so, that installer file will be waiting for you in your Downloads folder. Just find that file, it'll end in .exe, and double-click it to kick off the setup. Now, the installer is going to open up a window with a whole bunch of options and checkboxes. And this is a spot where a lot of people kind of freeze up, wondering, uh-oh, do I need to change any of this? But here's the great news. You can just relax. The default settings are absolutely perfect for getting started. So for now, all you got to do is accept the license agreement and then just click Next all the way through. No need to overthink it at all. I will give you one little tip, though. When you get to the screen with the option to create a desktop icon, I'd definitely check that box. It just makes your life a little easier by putting a shortcut right on your desktop. So before we jump over to the Mac side of things, it's kind of interesting to see the main difference here. Windows uses a guided setup installer, that .exe file, while the Mac process is all about downloading a simple zip file that you just open. It's just a slightly different road to get to the same awesome place. Okay, Mac users, it's your turn. Let's get VS Code up and running on Mac OS. And honestly, the process for Mac is even easier. We'll search for the site, download the right file for your Mac's chip, and then just unzip and open. That's it. Let's do it. So just like we did for Windows, open up your browser and search for VS Code. And again, make sure you're clicking on that official link, code.visualstudio.com. Now, on the download page, you'll probably see a little drop-down arrow on the main button. This part is key. Make sure you grab the right version for your Mac. If you've got a newer Mac with one of those M1, M2, or M3 chips, you'll want to choose the Apple Silicon version. It'll just run way better. So what you'll get is a single zip file. Once that's done downloading, just head over to your Downloads folder, find that file, and give it a double click. And here's the cool part for Mac. Double-clicking that zip file automatically unzips it, and then poof, the Visual Studio Code application just appears right there. That's it, it's installed. Now just double-click that new application to launch it. The very first time you open it, your Mac is going to show a little security pop-up asking if you're sure you want to open an app from the internet. Don't worry, this is 100% normal. Just click Open and you'll never see that message again. And just like that, we're done. The installation is complete, so no matter if you're on Windows or Mac, let's open it up and take a quick peek inside. Success! When VS Code opens for the first time, you'll see this welcome screen. This is a good sign. It means everything worked perfectly, and it gives you a few quick options to customize things, like picking a color theme. My advice, don't get bogged down here. The only thing you might want to do is pick a color theme. A lot of developers prefer dark mode because it's easier on the eyes. For everything else, you can just mark it as done for now. You can always change this stuff later. And with that, you are officially ready to code. You can head right up to the top menu, click File, then New File, and a blank page will open up, just waiting for you to write your very first program. You've just installed one of the most powerful and essential tools any developer can have. Your brand new digital canvas is sitting right there, ready to go. So the only question left is, what are you going to build first?